Hi, it's Lucas with Jurassic, and today we're going to be smoking green bean casserole on the pellet smoker. Ingredients: 3 cans of green beans, 3 cans of mushroom soup, half a pound of bacon, 8 ounces of Velveeta. And we'll put it in that bowl, and then we'll stir it up, then we'll put it right on the smoker. Make sure you drain the green beans before you put them in. Now give the green bean and creamy mushroom soup a good stir. Yummy. You're gonna look good at the end. By the way, it's our second time doing this. Just the other one wasn't a video. Now we're gonna break the bacon, then put it in there. Now we're going to dump the Velveeta and then stir it. Now we're going to use a well-greased cast iron pan. Today we're using the Pit Boss vertical smoker, and we already set it at 250 degrees. Come on, you're done. There. We're gonna come back and stir it in a half hour.
Okay, we just took it off the smoker and it's been in there for 1 hour. We're going to go ahead and let it cool down a little bit, and we're going to do a taste test.
Time for the taste test. That is so good. This time we didn't put like some type of onion in it. Yeah, you should definitely not put onion in it. It's better without onion. Okay, thanks for watching Jurassic Pork. Please give us a likes and subscribe. Please watch our videos. God bless. Bye.